Despite the continued government shutdown and this week's election results, there is still one topic that's dominating the conversation in the life insurance industry. This week in life insurance, we are again talking about the Bush lawsuit, and we're doing so because it really is the thing everyone's talking about. People inside the industry are talking about it, and we're also getting calls from folks outside the industry, people we know who maybe have an IUL or saw these articles and want to know whether they face some kind of potential problems with their policies as well. So this has definitely broke through to the mainstream. And what we wanted to focus on this week is it's not that IULs in them of themselves are inherently a bad product. The problem really comes from how they are sold and how they are structured. So in terms of structuring, if you're a client who has a policy or you're a producer who is structuring a policy with a high level of death benefit in the first couple of years that then switches down to a lower death benefit, that's bad. That doesn't help the client. That is usually going to be designed that way to help increase commissions and fees. That's only helping the agent, the broker, and not the client. And if you're a client and you are getting sold an IUL and the broker is telling you that it's an investment, that it's a 401k replacement, you should probably walk away because that is not how these are supposed to be used. If you're being told that this is a way to participate in the market without any downside risk, again, you should really start asking some serious questions or find a different broker. If your broker doesn't have a securities license, you should be asking whether they're selling you an IUL because that's what they have access to, or whether this really is the best product for your situation and not something like a VUL that would be available if the broker had securities licenses. So really, at the end of the day, it's important to know what you're getting. It's important to ask these questions. And for brokers, it's important that we do the right thing because right now, everybody in the industry is being asked these questions. Everybody in the industry has a shadow cast over them because of this case and because of the bad acts of the folks like the agent here and other folks that do similar things. That's all for this week. We'll talk to you soon.